All right, so now we're going to go and download the MetaMask, and you're going to go to MetaMask extension, right? You're going to click on that. And where you want to go is you want to go to metamask.io. So this is where we're going to click, and it's going to take us to this website right over here. And you can read all the documents and stuff about it, but basically a simple thing is you click download, and you're going to click install. And once that happens, you're going to click add to Chrome. Okay, it's going to say add extension. Give it a moment. Checking, as you can see. So it's going to check. And here we go. It's adding it in. And now that we have a foxy guy, look how cute he is. We're going to click on get started. So you have two options. If you already have a wallet that you have created in MetaMask, then you can actually import a wallet, or if you have a wallet, right, you can import it here using the seed phrase. If you don't, you're going to click on create a wallet. Make sure you read through this stuff. Of course, we agree. That's the only way we can proceed. Now we can put in a brand new password. Right, so we can put in, I don't know, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 0 0. Of course, this is not going to be a real thing, so don't worry, I wouldn't have put this in and made it public for everybody to go in. But then you're going to get the secret backup phrase, and what you want to do is read the tips, right, and click here, and you can actually get, so these are the phrases that later on, if you ever wanted to delete it and so on, you would basically have to use these to upload your wallet. Make sure you memorize it, make sure you store it somewhere. You don't want to store it on the web, so you want to make it super safe. And then we're going to go into the next. It's going to ask you to confirm, but because I don't remember, I'm just going to say remind me later. And here it is. We have a brand new account over here, and over here is the networks that you have. As you can see, MetaMask has different networks, and the website is actually on Rinkeby test network. So it is a test, meaning the main one is the real ETH, real money going in and out. Robston, Kovan, Rinkeby, and Gurley, I don't know how to say this, are all test networks, basically meaning it's play money. So it behaves like a real thing without spending the real money, and it's great for developers, but it's also great for learning as well, because you can go in and play with different apps without spending money. So this is the one that we're going to go in, and in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to get some Rinkeby test ETH so that you can play with DigiCats.